Yes, sir. You are the guest of honor, sir, Prithvi sir. I will have your words.
नो सर, आप ही शुरू कीजिए।
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
आप शुरू कीजिए।
आज हम आपसे सुनेंगे, ठीक है? तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू स्पीक टू Sumit, Pranita after so many days,
थैंक
and
यू।
that's great. You people are doing a really good
सब
job in, yeah.
जो जो अभी तक प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज का 1 से लेके 20 सेट जो आप में अपलोड हो गया है, उसका टेस्ट आप सब देना शुरू कर रहे हैं या नहीं? हैव यू स्टार्टेड और नॉट?
अभी मैंने तो नहीं किया स्टार्ट अभी तक, जस्ट गो थ्रू कर रहा हूँ अभी सेशन
तो
बाय सेशन।
उसको पहले स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Okay.
The level of question will be like that.
Because
It
see,
will cover.
Yeah, it will cover
This
maximum
200
of
questions is. This 200 questions is all about legal aspects of banking. Okay. And apart from that, we have also uploaded Basel 3. We have not uploaded AML KYC questions. We will start uploading.
AML KYC, everything will be
onwards.
uploaded. Actually, the day when we don't have class, we are working on uploading contents, because if you see in yesterday's exam in Bank of Maharashtra, most of the questions, including options, were from our material. I will not go into the details how it came, but the level of expertise that we have, we will predict the exact level of questions for you. And in between, we only have 2 live batches running for written examination, that is for RRB, and that is second one is SBI CBO confirmation test. So whatever content will be prepared, that will be prepared for these 2 exams. In RRB, there are financial awareness, which is not going to help you that much, but the professional knowledge part of RRB and your part of banking awareness, product awareness is going to work for you. And by the time the LMS module that have been provided to you by SBI needs to be covered by you thoroughly, many questions will be asked from that. Even if you get time, go through the circulars. In coming days, we are also going to have the questions from your circulars, from audit, from so many materials that is directly used in your day-to-day activities. So
questions. And last 6 months RBI circular, that is also important. You have also.
And don't panic. You will also be given a chance, but yes, many want you to be in dilemma, or many want you to be in horror of losing the job, but you will not lose the job, as it's a hard fight for getting the job. So we will provide you exact questions, question bank, and most of the questions will be asked from that.
जैसे अभी सुमित ने बताया कि he was doing KCC renewal from last 2 days. जो भी काम आप कर रहे हैं ना, उसको थोरोली देखिए। केसीसी क्या होता है, उसका रिन्यूअल कितने साल में किया जाता है, उसमें डॉक्यूमेंटेशन क्या लगता है, स्केल ऑफ फाइनेंस केसीसी में क्या होता है.
But most of the things you have read during SBI CBO, but after SBI CBO batch, there is a drastic change in the banking materials that are uploaded in application. Okay, so because you don't have time, because we run the live sessions, there are only few people joined, 6-7 people have joined so far. We are not finding it that feasible to run live classes per day basis due to low turnout. But the recorded sessions that we are providing for this batch is having complete view. Everybody is watching it. Maybe 2 or 3 people have skipped, but most of them are watching it. So far, whatever GPO banking classes, JIB professional knowledge folder, the classes that are uploaded in these sessions, in these folders, are going to be crucial for you. I think there are almost 100 classes available in both the folders that will help you a lot. Okay. And specifically for promotional exam questions, we'll start uploading after 8-10 days. We are having a focus on Bank of Maharashtra exam. Now we have only one focus, that is RRB CBO and SBI CBO. So you will get questions, daily quiz. Quiz is very good, because even if you don't go into the class, you don't get time to watch a class for 40 to 60 minutes. You can attend the quiz and you will get it because you have all the background. You cracked it, all the background. And let me tell you why the CBO confirmation test is so much of in talks, because they wanted people in banking with having sufficient banking knowledge. But some people came out of small banks where they don't have that much of expertise. They cracked the exam, but they don't have, it is felt that they don't have that much of expertise. They don't let these people to remain in line with the POs because it's one cut above the PO. And POs show high level of professionalism, high level of knowledge, and sometimes it is found people even in the cadre of sales executive have got selected. So that's why they want few people to get out of the SBI fray in this fight. Okay, and it also depends how you give your exam. It also depends your performance to recruit the next set of SBI CBO, because it was a pilot project. If it is successful, they will recruit more SBI CBOs. So it is you people to make it success and show some knowledge. Yes, work is good. You will not be terminated if you don't do some certain kind of work. But if yes, you will definitely be terminated if you don't qualify this exam in 2 or 3 attempts. May not allow you into post 2 attempts. They will allow you up to 2 attempts, right? So, but I want you to crack in first attempt. If you will not crack it in first attempt, the issue is that your day-to-day life will be made hell. They will say that you don't qualify, you lose job any day. So these kind of threatenings you will get, and you will also those who will qualify in first attempt, they will get confirmation very fast than the others. So it is required you to qualify in the first attempt. And believe me, the question level is not going to be that tough. This will be medium level. Okay. But the right set of questions, financial awareness kind of things will not be asked. They will not ask you googly. They will ask you things that are related to banking professional knowledge. Questions asked in promotional exam. What is mortgage? Types of mortgage? What is PESL? This kind of, what is scale of finance in KCC? How to calculate the 5th year limit in a KCC? So this type of questions are going to be asked. And currently, whatever material we have, I can guarantee you out of 100 questions, you can see 80 plus questions directly from the existing materials, and the rest 20 will be uploaded in 1 month. So you don't need to be panicked. We wanted to discuss more.
We'll cover all the questions. Questions, and we'll upload all the expected questions in your upcoming exam. Don't worry regarding that. Just refresh your knowledge and what you are doing in your day-to-day basis. Try to know what is that.
Yes. Any doubt?
If any doubt, you can also ping us. We can also clarify your doubt.
Yeah, please, Pranita, Gayatri, Raghu, Sujit, Sumit, any issue in SBI? What are the issues you are facing? You can tell me. We'll discuss what kind of things you are facing. Any challenges?
And what type of help you need also, that you can discuss.
Yeah, go ahead, unmute yourself and you can ask us. I have invited sir for that because many of you are having the issues. Yeah, go ahead.
I believe no one has any issue.
Ganesh is asking. Ganesh, where is Ganesh? Ganesh, anything?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, Ganesh, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Great. So you are posted in Chennai, right?
In Telangana circle, sir.
Okay, in Telangana circle. Okay. Yeah, Ganesh, go ahead.
Sir, I need some MCQs, sir.
MCQs are uploaded in quiz. Okay, we don't provide PDF because it is getting shared and it is used for all the exams. So you go ahead with MCQs. Okay, otherwise for JIB, CIB, I will unlock the test series we're looking into it. What can I do for you in
Yes,
test
sir.
series part?
We can do one thing. We can unlock JIB, PPB, and LRB for this SBI CBO candidate. They can
Yes,
start doing.
you can start doing that. I will be working on it. Okay, if any coupon
tomorrow onwards, if possible, tomorrow onwards we can.
We'll working on it, because then you will get more than 10,000 questions, not 5,000. You will get more than 10,000 questions, including all this. Okay. Test series has launched. That is for JIB, but it is going to help you out.
In PDF MCQ, we'll try the last moment to share with you, but we always avoid to share this PDF because it's shared in the other groups as well.
But have you attended any quiz from the students portal?
Yes, sir.
How many quiz you have attempted?
Only 1 to 2, sir.
Okay, you have so many questions.
More than 35 sets are there. More than 35 sets, and it's similar 2 years exam pattern.
By the time you cover it, I will come. Our team will come up with another 35 sets. So don't worry. Have you attended, any one of you attended a BESSEL part 1, part 2 questions? In case any questions will be asked from BESSEL, not a single question will be asked.
Sir, I am seeing no one from this group has attended BESSEL because I am not seeing anyone's name in that series.
Yes. So you have so many questions to attend. Because I understand SBI workload, I can understand. Okay. So,
but unless you will not attend the question, then how your clarity will be for that?
You ask the questions, you will have the doubts, we will have sessions. Kirandeep sir is also trying to come maximum live sessions. We want maximum turnout. Okay, so sir is being deploying his very valuable time. So we have to hire for that 1 hour. That is very expensive. Sir is one of the best teachers in JIB and in promotional exam set. Okay, so no issue. As you join further, we will start the session again. I don't find any doubt from you, from all of you. Please attend the questions. I am going to provide more MCQs, and if possible, we will look into what can we do in test series part. But test series is
apart from Sumit, no one is sharing their feedback. How will help them to achieve?
Yeah, Sudhir.
Sir, actually, fine, sir. Till today, I was doing this one, sir. SBI e-lessons was there. I have completed all 50 e-lessons, sir.
Great. That is also going to be useful for you.
Yes, sir. From today onwards, I want to concentrate on classes and this one, sir. Quizzes.
Okay. Tomorrow onwards, we'll have, day after tomorrow onwards, we'll have Hindi session for banking. Okay, so you can skip the financial awareness classes, but you must attend the sessions that are dedicated for banking professional knowledge. That will also help you if you get time. Rest, you watch these recorded sessions, and rest quiz. And I am going to upload more quiz, and we will also enable test series if possible in JIB part, or else we'll down the price of that one. We'll make it very nominal, or whatever, because that is a software, their price cannot be made 0. But we'll look into it. But that is not that useful. But if you are preparing for JIB, that will be useful. Questions will be come from JIB first paper and third paper in this exam too. But we will see what can we do. But similar questions we are also uploading in learning module.
We assure you we will upload all the relevant questions in.
And we also assure you maximum questions will be from our syllabus only. So don't worry.
Yeah.
But we deploy your time, because we don't want any single person to fail. So this is not a competitive exam. This is a qualifying exam. You just qualify and
you start giving all the 35 set of questions which has already been uploaded, and we assure you that we will also upload all the relevant questions. I think almost 80-90% questions.
Yeah, because we found that very less number of people have attended the quiz. Videos are being watched, but nobody is attending the quiz. Because everybody
you will find exact level of questions, even exact level of options. What you will get in your
final exam
has already been uploaded.
Okay, so we'll not delay the session further. We'll discuss more. With fresh students when join, we'll have discussion tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll have a separate session. We'll see when can we have it. Those who were asking for sessions are not attended. That's pathetic. Okay, thank you. Good night all. Good night all and take care.